It is a Tuesday today, and this is my 380th daily vlog. Looking like a prepubescent child. It will look all good in a couple days. I like to be clean shaven sometimes. Like, it feels quite nice. This morning I actually uploaded the vlog while I had a shower. My stepdad was up and doing nothing, so he took in the parcels. I think most of it uploaded on Wi-Fi. There was a couple of times where I checked it and it was uploaded on 4G and I was thinking, fuck's sake. But I got through that. Also, yesterday I forgot to confirm that the Palace tees for the box logo was a straight trade. A lot of people seem pissed off about that, especially in the Instagram comments. Today I did sleep in till like 11 again. Tomorrow I'll wake up at 9. The rest of the week I'll wake up at 9. I did think there was like a lack of parcels yesterday. Had like 9 arrive today. On the day that I'm fucking going into town and doing 2 meetups, it's typical, isn't it? I was completely free yesterday. Where were all those parcels yesterday? I still haven't replied to all the messages I need to reply to. Haven't applied my body butter. I have Belvita though. Shout out to William Mataba, what a G. Man, this is actually the best part of Middleman, and like the things that people come up with. What the fuck? Like the gifts and shit. Mental. There's no point showing all the arrivals because I'm going to be showing a lot of trades when I get home. But I will show you this one. Do a live react. Oh. Can't do shit one-handed. I'm just interested what needs a box this big, you know? Oh, this is gonna be fun. One pair of 750s and a lot of fucking... What even is it? Like, does that really stop damage? Really? Easily one of the most annoying parcels ever. Oh well. It's a pair of black 750s. Oh, this is a badass chocolate bar. God knows what this is. I haven't actually had a legit pair of 750 in black for a while. You know, I can literally not do anything one-handed. I have so much like respect for people that have one arm or whatever. I am sending 2 parcels before the meetups. What is this doing moving by itself? First parcel is just the drinks that I proxied yesterday. Okay, maybe not. He hasn't given me his fucking address. He paid by bank transfer as well, so I can't even look on PayPal. Okay, I am still sending 1 today. I'm using Flash. It isn't this faded. This sold for 114 all in. So after PayPal fees, after postage, and after my fee, the guy will get about £100. I'm just addicted to Flash. I am getting better though. If this was spelt like correctly, i.e. the way Supreme is usually spelt, and it was a size large, I would have probably wanted it. I'm only taking £5 fee. I've been sat on this for fucking weeks trying to sell it for him or find a trade. That other guy just replied. Stefano just beeped. Off to do the 2 middleman meetups. I know the other 2 people. I've met them before. They're my friends, so it's all good. Not gonna get shot. Sent 2 parcels, both first class signed for, come to 11. So the trade was those Pumas. They both chucked in like free stuff. and £150 for these Yeezys. So basically, Yeezy retail price plus a pair of shoes, which is quite good. I do like the coppers. Oh, you don't want them much?
No, I've worn them a lot, but I clean my shoes quite thoroughly, so
yeah, the Boosts well good. The police are in here and there's loads of security. Some argument. The weather is so shit today. First time using this. That parcel was over 2 kilos. He's gone to meet his girlfriend now. I gotta wait for my other friend to get here. These are so weird. Some guy just bought these thinking they resell for tons. Bless him. Why the hell does Shoe sell these? Doing the second middleman meetup. We're gonna go eat first. This opens soon. The post office is gonna shut, so food will have to wait. Sharp boys, turn around. The back. Oh, Big Sean collab in it. For this Playboy Supreme hoodie. We're in Pret. The guy even included a filter. How nice of him. Oh. I really want a babe shark.
I'm surprised that the cracking, there's no cracking on the back. I think I would accept it for that. Just a little stain.
Deja vu. So we were thinking of going to this place. It looks quite posh, but there's like no one in there. Is that because of the prices, or? We're gonna go here instead. We had to move because this table was too small and we ordered too much. It's not all here yet. It's quite cool in here. It's all here now. We've got a burger each and then we're sharing 4 sides. I've also got a piece of chicken. Whatever this is, it is deadly. I'm not eating any more of it. Burgers are like my favourite food. I think we have been defeated. He's still battling on. Jamie somehow finished off all the chips. This is some Oreo fudge pie thing. We're sharing. Madness. That place was very good. I feel kind of dead now though. Stefano's gonna pick me up. I just got home. I'm sleepy. I've eaten way too. Apple do some fucking sneaky shit, you know. I got like 128 gigabyte iPhone, and I saw this thing. Well, the last clip like stopped filming, didn't it? Because I fucking run out of memory. I need to delete some video clips. But anyway, I saw this thing online where it was like, If you go to rent a movie, then it will clear some room on your phone so that you can rent the movie, because Apple are greedy, money-taking bastards. And yeah, it worked. I've now got like 6 more gig just through attempting to rent a movie. I need to reply to all these messages and then go do parcels. That took 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now to go... I hate having to use this portable charger all the time. Nearly hit myself. Go to do trades now. I don't know how many I'm going to do. I want to play some Rainbow Six. And I want to... Well, I don't want to. I got a driving lesson at like 8 AM tomorrow. It's 10 PM now. 10 past 10. Unfortunately, I can only show one trade because people wouldn't leave my fucking inbox alone. There's 4 trades that I should have done today, so I'll show the others tomorrow. This Palace jacket looks brand new. For this Cav Empt jacket, I'm not very knowledgeable on this brand, to be honest with you. I believe it's a straight trade. The people aren't replying. It is nearly midnight. Here is the back print of the Cav Empt. And then here is the back print of the Palace. Just a trifag. The Palace jacket retailed for £120, which isn't too bad. Lord knows why my inbox is still popping. I completely forgot that it was transfer deadline day today with soccer. Today I wore a zip-up hoodie. Crep City basement zip-up hoodie. I also wore this basement tee. If it will fucking... Why does stuff go too bright sometimes? I'm literally just tapping it everywhere.